Welcome to Best Sellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you here today. In this video, we're diving into the top-selling garage and shop products on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, this countdown will showcase the must-have items for your workshop. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 5 on our list of best-selling garage and shop items on Amazon is the Maxhaul 70472 solid rubber heavy-duty black wheel Chock 2-pack. Let's dive into why these wheel chocks are a must-have for any garage or workshop. First up, their compact size. Measuring approximately 8 inches in length, 4 inches in width, and 5 inches in height, these chocks are not just effective, but they're also space-saving. You can easily stow them away without taking up valuable room, but there's more. The all-weather construction is a game changer. Built to withstand any climate, these wheel chocks ensure reliable performance and security come rain or shine, snow or sleet. No more worrying about weather conditions affecting your safety measures. Let's talk about traction. These wheel chocks are equipped with a rubber traction pad, offering superior grip and traction to keep your vehicle or trailer securely in place, even on those slippery surfaces. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your vehicle isn't going anywhere. Convenience is key, and these chocks deliver. With a built-in handle, placing and positioning them is a breeze. No more fumbling around trying to get them just right. The handle makes it easy and efficient. And let's not forget about performance. Unlike plastic or resin-made wheel chocks, these solid rubber ones are designed to outperform. They offer exceptional durability and reliability, ensuring your vehicle or trailer stays stationary when you need it to. In summary, the Maxhaul 70472 solid rubber heavy-duty black wheel Chock 2-pack is compact, durable, and designed for superior performance in all weather conditions. They provide excellent traction and are incredibly easy to use. If you're looking for a reliable way to secure your vehicle or trailer, these wheel chocks are an excellent choice. Sliding into the 4th spot on our top 5 best-selling garage and shop items on Amazon, we have the Ottomanson solid design non-slip rubberback runner rug. Let's uncover what makes this rug a standout choice for versatile use in your home and workspace. First, consider the size, a practical 2 feet by 6 feet with a remarkably slim thickness of just 0.2 inches. This ultra-thin pile design ensures it fits seamlessly in busy areas, under furniture, or in entryways without blocking doors or creating a tripping hazard. Perfect for high traffic zones. Now let's talk about safety and durability. This rug is crafted in India from high quality, stain-resistant polyester material, making it incredibly resilient. The non-slip rubber backing provides excellent grip, minimizing the risk of slipping. For added security, consider using double-sided rug tape to keep it firmly in place. One of the standout features is its kid and pet-friendly nature. This rug is built to withstand the unpredictable messes and high foot traffic that come with an active household. Spills, dirt, and pet hair. No problem. Customization is where this rug truly shines. Easily cut it to any size to perfectly fit your space. Whether it's your hallway, entryway, garage, office, living room, patio, deck, finished basement, or laundry room, you can tailor it to your exact measurements. Transform any area with this adaptable, easy-to-customize runner rug. To sum it up, the Ottomanson solid design non-slip rubberback runner rug is a versatile, durable, and customizable addition to any home or workspace. Its ultra-thin pile, non-slip backing, and stain-resistant material make it ideal for high-traffic areas, while its customizable size ensures it fits perfectly wherever you need it. Make your space safer, cleaner, and more stylish with this top-notch runner rug. Number 3 on our list of top 5 best-selling garage and shop items on Amazon is the LockNLube Grease Gun Coupler. Let's delve into why this product has garnered such acclaim and how it can revolutionize your greasing experience. First off, let's talk about its standout feature. It locks on and doesn't leak. Imagine grease goes exactly where it's supposed to, into the machine, not all over it. This is made possible by LockNLube's unique sliding sleeve, which ensures that when the jaws lock onto the Zerk fitting, a leak-proof seal is created. No more messy, wasted grease. Rated to a staggering 10,000 psi, the LockNLube grease coupler is designed to handle any grease gun without leaking or popping off, regardless of the pressure. And The best part? It releases effortlessly with a simple thumb lever. Say goodbye to the days of struggling and twisting to disconnect. Now, let's highlight its incredible longevity. This coupler is the only rebuildable one on the market. Each LockNLube coupler includes a rebuild kit, allowing you to replace the seal and jaws easily. This means it's not just a purchase, it's an investment. You get a tool that's as good as new with minimal cost over its lifetime. Compatibility is another key advantage. The 1/8 inches NPT fitting works with all grease guns, pneumatic, manual, or electric, and locks onto all metric and SAE specification Zerk fittings. This universality makes it an essential addition to any toolkit, ensuring you're always ready for the job. And here's the cherry on top: hands-free, leak-free greasing. Rated to withstand up to 10,000 psi, the LockNLube grease coupler won't release under pressure, allowing you to focus on the task at hand without the need to constantly adjust or align the coupler. In summary, the LockNLube grease gun coupler is a game changer. Its leak-proof locking mechanism, high-pressure rating, rebuildable design, and universal compatibility make it a must-have for anyone serious about maintenance. End your greasing frustrations and upgrade to the world's best-selling original locking grease coupler. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling garage and shop products on Amazon? If so, don't let your tools get rusty. Subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss out on the best deals and tips for your workshop. Taking the second spot in our countdown of best-selling garage and shop items on Amazon is the First Alert Home, one rechargeable standard home fire extinguisher. Let's explore why this fire extinguisher is an essential addition to every home and garage. First Alert has been a trusted name in home safety since 1958, and their Home One fire extinguisher continues this legacy of reliability. UL rated 1A 10B, this extinguisher is versatile enough to handle various types of fires, whether it's wood, paper, trash, plastics, gasoline, oil, or electrical equipment. This extinguisher has you covered. Constructed with durability in mind, the First Alert Home One features an all-metal construction with a commercial-grade metal valve and trigger. This robust build ensures it meets the demanding needs of any emergency situation, providing peace of mind in critical moments. One standout feature is its rechargeability. After use, this fire extinguisher can be recharged by a certified professional, allowing you to reuse it and keep it ready for any future emergencies. This makes it not only a reliable choice, but also a cost-effective one. Safety is paramount with First Alert. The metal pull pin comes with a safety seal to prevent accidental discharge and tampering. Additionally, the corrosion-resistant, easy-to-read, color-coded metal gauge and waterproof label with clear instructions ensure that anyone can use it quickly and effectively, even in high-pressure situations. What's more, this fire extinguisher is U.S. Coast Guard approved for marine use. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle, ensuring it's accessible and user-friendly in both residential and marine environments. In summary, the First Alert Home, one rechargeable standard home fire extinguisher, is a powerhouse of safety features. Its multi-purpose capabilities, durable construction, rechargeable design, and user-friendly safety measures make it an indispensable tool for any home or garage. Trust in First Alert, the most trusted brand in home safety, to keep your home and loved ones protected. Finally, taking the top spot in our countdown of the best-selling garage and shop items on Amazon is the Kidde fire extinguisher for home, available in a convenient 2-pack. This dry chemical extinguisher stands out for its versatility, durability, and user-friendly design. Let's dive into the details that make this product number one. Designed to tackle basic fires common to households, this extinguisher is a multi-purpose powerhouse. It handles Class A fires involving trash, wood, and paper, Class B fires involving flammable liquids and gases, and Class C fires involving electrical equipment. One tool for multiple threats. Durability is a hallmark of the Kidde fire extinguisher. The tough aluminum valve assembly and lightweight aluminum cylinder ensure longevity and ease of use. The all-metal construction means it's built to last, providing reliable performance when you need it most. Safety and simplicity go hand in hand with this extinguisher. The easy-to-pull safety pin allows for quick activation, while the clear instruction label on the front guides you through the process, even in high-stress situations. Plus, the easy-to-read pressure gauge ensures you always know when the extinguisher is charged and ready for action. Mounting and storing your extinguisher is a breeze with the included UL-approved strap bracket. This ensures it's securely in place and easily accessible in an emergency. The rust and impact-resistant painted steel handle adds an extra layer of durability, ensuring it withstands the test of time. Kidde stands behind their product with a UL listing and a 6-year limited manufacturer's warranty, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your purchase. To summarize, the Kidde fire extinguisher for home combines versatility, durability, and ease of use in a top-tier package. It's designed to handle multiple types of fires, built to last with all-metal construction, and comes with clear instructions and a reliable pressure gauge. Whether you're dealing with a fire in the kitchen, garage, or anywhere in your home, the Kidde fire extinguisher is your trusted ally in safety. That's why it's #1 on our list of best-selling garage and shop items on Amazon. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling garage and shop products on Amazon. To keep up with the latest top picks, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.